Welcome, I am the Crypto Jedi. Today we're looking at XRP live chart, September 24th, 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm in the West Coast. This is the one-day chart. I will also be looking at some Twitter posts. Basically, we've been trading sideways at 50 cents. Any and all discussions today is for entertainment purposes, not financial advice. Ain't that right, Master Yoda?
Financial advice. This is not.
Thank you. I've been accumulating XRP since June last year, 2022, when it was at 34 cents. Every paycheck I go on, log into Uphold. I open up an Uphold account and I've been purchasing XRP every paycheck since then. So I have a nice bag now. Hey, Apex Comics. Yeah, I'm talking about XRP. I was telling the people I've been buying it since June of last year, 2022, when it was at 34 cents. Currently, it's at 50 cents. It's been trading sideways. I purchased my XRP on Uphold. So we're looking at the live chart right now. And I'm going to be jumping on X platform, formerly known as Twitter, to see what any XRP news. Yes. Yeah, I think that's a good strategy. Buy some gold in case the economy tanks, in case the dollar crashes. Get you some gold. Yeah, not a bad idea. Let's see what's going on X platform. Start from the beginning. So on X platform, I search hashtag XRP to see what the latest news, if any. XRP ready to pump hard. Yes. MUFG Bank. It says signed memorandum of understanding to develop a new cross-border payment service. Sounds good. Oh, that's an old one. It says November 9th, 2018. That's kind of old. Continue on. XRP isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's the heartbeat of a new financial system. Okay. Wall Street Bulls, W_the Jazz, posted 3 minutes ago. Alrighty. Breaking, Forbes confirms 59,472 and XRP price prediction. All right, price glitch. Yeah. Shoot, if it jumps that high, 59,000, 60,000 per XRP, man. With the XRP I got, so I'll be multi-millionaire for sure. I could only wish. Jack the Rippler says the SEC is attacking Ripple and XRP because they know that once it gets full clarity, XRP will skyrocket. Like they pumped ETH to over 1,000, and ETH has unlimited supply. Full clarity for XRP is on the way. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna click like on that. I like the message. In fact, I'm gonna repost it. And anybody out there that wants to follow me, I am the Crypto JEDI 2 on the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. Does anyone know Crypto Hulk? Crypto Hulk. He posted 31 minutes ago, massive new global crypto exchange coming. One ring to rule them all. Oh, see. I'm gonna put the volume on this.
Exchange that's ready to start, maybe in a few
months. From the beginning.
Very soon, Crypto Hulk on YouTube is going to show you the world's biggest exchange. Stocks, bonds, derivatives, crypto, everything. No, it's not Uphold. Oh, no, not the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, no, way too small for that. Crypto Hulk live stream, 6:30 a.m., September 25th. Crypto Hulk on YouTube is going to show you the massive exchange that's ready to start, maybe in a few months, 3 to 6 months. Makes this look like kindergarten. This Crypto Hulk. I'm out of here. I'll see you then.
Yeah, Crypto Hulk's no joke. Yeah, follow him on X. Subscribe to his channel, Crypto Hulk. He knows what he's talking about. I like to watch his crypto news. But that early in the morning now, I'd have to go back and later catch the replay. That's too early for me. I'm dead asleep at that time. Digital asset investor, SEC versus Ripple, XRP can't stop the stampede. Damn, about to break. Yeah, I like that. I like that message. I'm gonna click like on that. Hello, Vegas Lights. Just here talking about crypto, talking about XRP. And thanks for stopping by, dropping in. Dusty BC Crypto says, once XRP starts the next pump, nobody will be able to stop it. All right. I like this. I like this picture here. It's nice. Pretty cool. I might have to save it on my files. Maybe use it as a background for something. Let's see. Brent Hill, fasten up. Get your seatbelts on. XRP. XRP news. The next 95,000% will come. 95,000%. Shoot. It's not a question of it will happen, but when it happens. Hey. They're real confident that XRP is going to jump that high. XRP 10,000 for sure. Yeah, that would be nice. XRP Lord. All right, posted that. No, this is Patrick. I don't think this bubble can get much bigger. Crypto market. Yeah. Will XRP hit $10 in 2023? Man. I'll take it. $10 XRP, I'll take it. Shoot. Moving along. Ripple, the company Ripple, IPO buzz is heating up. Could we see a 20x valuation surge to 600 per share on September 28? Ripple share. Yeah. I might have to, hopefully I could go on Robinhood and get some Ripple shares. Don't miss the proper party New York, where XRP's future and potential IPO plans are in the spotlight. Yeah, that would be nice. Okay. Digital perspectives. There is an inflection point coming on a convergence, but it's not solely about XRP. It's about entire traditional markets crashing real world assets. That's doom and gloom. I don't know. All the money XRP, your life will change, whether the sum is large or small. Right now, you could be gaining if you had one Bitcoin. Additionally, XRP uses technology that is far superior to that of BTC Bitcoin. So purchasing 100, 1,000, or even 10,000 coins is almost a no-brainer. XRP. Booyah! Yeah, this picture, it's saying at one XRP is worth that much cash in 2030. I hope so. Would be nice.
globe are headed towards an inflection point will explain. Somebody roll that beautiful intro.
Yeah, Digital Perspective. There's another YouTuber I listen to, and he usually puts 2 or 3 videos a day, usually in the morning. I always catch the replay. On the way to the moon. Chat GPT predicts XRP hitting $2-3 by 2030 end. Well, $2, $3, yeah, that'd be nice too. I don't think I'd cash out at $2 or $3. Cash out more like 100, 500, $1,000. Of course, not financial advice.
Financial advice. This is not.
Let's see what this guy's saying.
Central banks, because you will get a gold revaluation by market forces or by design by central banks, because they need it to fix their balance sheets.
Central banks have awakened to the need for gold.
No, it's not waking up. They always knew in that toolbox they could use a gold revaluation, but they don't talk about that only when it's really needed, only when you reach the point that there's no other tool they can use to fix it.
Right.
You will get a gold revalue.
Floater Crypto posted 22 minutes ago, you are literally watching the world change before your eyes. Everything happening is happening for a reason. COVID, Ukraine, scandals, arrests, corruption, etc. No coin incidents. And you just happen to be invested in XRP. I don't think you truly understand what's happening. Oh, I understand. That's why I filled up my bags with XRP. I purchased some XRP. Been accumulating since last year. When it was at 34 cents. Right now we're at 50 cents. XRP well posted 16 hours ago, breaking Ripple wires billions of XRP as price shows weekly surge. Something big coming. Yeah, I think so, because they got their party, XRP party in New York, where they're going to announce something big. Could pump the price. XRP will pump the hardest. Get XRP for free from Faucet. No, I don't trust anybody giving out free XRP. Airdrops and stuff like that. You can be careful. Said major transformation ahead for XRPL and XRP. Breakout pattern spotted. Could we see 66 cents XRP? Well, that's cool. Flip the switch, David. We can't wait. XRP. David Schwartz. If I gave you 50,000 XRP, what would you do? I'd put it on my cold wallet. Transfer to a cold wallet and wait. I would hold it. Hey Max, how you doing? I'm just here, man. Just doing an XRP live stream. Reading the people's posts on X formerly known as Twitter. Ripple. Checking out this chart. Stellar, silver, XDC, copper, algo, palladium. I don't think all this is true. They're not. I don't think it's going to be tied to any precious metals, any crypto. Well, who knows? But I don't think so. The Fed is looking into possible digital US dollar. And then you got the XRP, Ripple. XRP is king. All right. I agree. Yeah, I saw that you've been real busy with that. And I'm glad to see you too. We're in this together. XZ is kinda. Oh, the chart. I'll put it back up. You ready to have? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go back to this. Oh wait, what happened? I lost my place here. See hashtag. Go back. Hashtag XRP. Search. Do you want me just to send you a link? You could jump in here for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I'll send you the StreamYard's link in on X. You come on here and explain yourself. Rumor, $50 per XRP. XRP end of September. Yeah, right. $50. So I'll take it, but I don't know. Yeah. Here, let me just. Here, I'm just gonna take a chance. No pressure. You don't have to come on, but I'm gonna send you a message. Oh wait, hold on. I don't want to dox. Let me hide that for a sec. Here, let me share the chart while I'm sending messages. There we go. Get to the chart. Here's a live chart, 24-hour chart XRP. 50 cents. Just been trading sideways at 50 cents. Max. Yeah, I appreciate that, Max. I do appreciate that. 32 trillion in government debt. I wish we could pull that dollar back on the gold standard. Yeah. They should have never taken it off the gold standard, but at the time, I guess, oil. Take advantage of the oil back then in the 70s. Nixon, or Frickson. Nixon saw an opportunity to cash in, make that money, take it off the gold standard. Yeah. Thanks for coming on, Max. And I'm always there for you. And if you ever come out to the West Coast, hit me up. Crypto poem background music. Yeah, that is funny. Whatever puts you in the mood to buy XRP. Of course, not financial advice.
Financial advice. This is not.
All right. Stop sharing that. Go back to the headlines. I don't know, man. $100 per XRP, I'll take it. I don't know if that'll be anytime soon. They have to make some major announcements. There have to be some major announcements for that to happen. What is this? Nope. The partnership between Swift and XRP is the bomb. Bang. Listen to this gentleman who works for Swift, now works for Ripple. All right, let's listen to him. Let me turn up the volume.
So, surrounding crypto replacing Swift. So we did speak earlier where you mentioned that it's not necessarily about replacing Swift, it's about complementing it. So let's get some more information on this.
I used to work for Swift. I was Swift for 20 years, so Swift is flowing through my veins. Swift is the preeminent messaging system for the financial industry. And I think we're also seeing that Swift are changing their network capability so that real time will be a possibility as well. But we may also see Ripple XRP moving across the Swift network as a currency when we're perhaps using something like FX.
Now, so, I just slightly moving on for a second, surrounding crypto replacing.
All righty. That sounds promising. Sounds good. I like that. Google, Bard, and Bing confirms Forbes publishing article projecting XRP rally to 59,472. I mean, again, that would be nice, but I don't see it happening anytime soon. Let's see what this person said here. See you in 2024 at $130. Keep in mind, it's a 7-year of suppression. Imagine a spring which is suppressed for 7 years. So XRP to reach $130 next year. Yeah, that'd be nice. I'd take it. I'd take it all day long. Sure. So XRP projected to be priced at $9,579 after replacing the bank. Let's see here. We click on this. Potential value based on existing data. All right. I'll take it. I'll take it all day long. Crypto Hulk. Yeah, Crypto Hulk is a YouTube influencer. He's a big buff dude. Talks about crypto. Pretty popular. Has a lot of subs. When sometimes I go and I listen to his stuff, but this guy here, Maximus Crypto, I highly recommend following him, subscribing to his channel. He's a good dude. He's in Arizona. He does his live show practically every day. Well, at least Monday through Friday, he does his live crypto show. This guy knows what he's talking about. He knows his stuff. I sent him the link trying to get him on, but I guess it's the weekend and he's busy. Couldn't get him on. Would have liked to have him on for 5 minutes at least. Someday. Let's see. This is Brad. See what he has to say. Brad Garden.
People like you.
Start from the beginning.
Thank you so much for changing my life. And thank you so much what you did to the SEC. Absolutely. People like you, we need. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for changing my life.
Thanks for standing up to the government, Brad. And whenever you see these airdrops, I don't know. I don't trust these airdrops. I think it's a scam. Oh, I like this picture. Pretty cool. Lord XRP, this Wall Street expert, predicts huge gains. 10K Ripple investment could reach 140K after IPO. It's September 20th, after the big day. If the rumors are true, BlackRock is buying XRP, then BlackRock alone will catapult XRP over $100. I don't know. It's rumor. It's rumor. Keep in mind, it's rumor. I don't know if it's true or not.
Judge in our case very clearly, succinctly said XRP is not a security, period. Judge in our case very clearly, succinctly said XRP is not a security, period. Judge in our case very
and in the future they'll have tokens attached to them. This is the Federal Reserve Bank headquarters, the United States of America. They did a report, which is this one right here. 29 page report. And the Federal Reserve determined that there's about 5 cryptos. I have the names of them that they actually list in the report. This is Crypto Hulk. I got a live stream coming up Pacific time today, 6:00 p.m. Pacific time, September 24th. We're going over which cryptos did they pick. Check it out, the live stream.
Experts out there that have XRP to $100,000. Here's how. There are experts out there that are predicting the price to go up to $100,000 at least for XRP. How is this going to happen? Well, they believe that the idea is that massive entities start tokenizing assets on the XRP ledger and essentially holding value on the XRP ledger. This will limit the supply of XRP that is available to use for on-demand liquidity. When you've got a smaller supply of tokens to use for the on-demand liquidity and a higher amount of transactions to use those small tokens with, the price of an XRP has to skyrocket. Let me know what you think in the comments and follow this account for more.
A guy named Joe, and I had a roommate from college, a guy named Joe Lubin, who was one of the key guys in building the Ethereum project. And at this point, Ethereum had just launched. And I called him and I said, Joe, can I come to your office and you can give me a tutorial on like what I own and really let's think through, should I keep this stuff, should I buy more? And I went over to Bushwick in Brooklyn. This would have been January of last year, 2016. And I expected to see Joe, a dog, and one assistant. And I saw 30 dynamic young people crammed in a Bushwick warehouse, coding, talking on the phone, making plans for this revolution. And then all of a sudden he pulled up video screens and there were people in other countries and he already had 40 employees. At this point, Ethereum was about 85 cents. And, macro guys are instinctive. My instinct was, damn, I want to buy a chunk of this company. And literally right then I was like, what does it cost to run this company per year? If I give you 10 million bucks, how much would it help? And as we started talking about a deal, he said, it's going to take me a while to figure out exactly what the company looks like, because the unique things about this culture is it's distributed everything, distributed trust, distributed ownership. And so there were lots of sub companies in that ecosystem, and it was a bit of a spaghetti map of ownership. And so I was leaving to India, and he said, you know what, give me a month, come back, and we'll talk about it. And at least learn from trading. When you know something's good, buy something. And so I ended up buying a bunch of ethers when they were, call it $1. Went away to India on a trip, came back, and they were already trading $5 or $6. And at that point, the company Consensus didn't need my capital anymore.
Yeah, good stuff there. Good stuff. I'm just reading some headlines. I'll go back to the charts, live charts, price action. Just going through the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. Just checking for news. That is correct, Rick Sanchez. XRP is the standard. Posted an hour ago, Crypto Geek News. Breaking XRP and RNT breakout expected following chart analysis. Cool. XRP will be top 3 again soon, maybe even higher. Yeah, I'm all for that. Forbes reports XRP projected to hit almost 60K. Let's listen in.
5 million. Forbes has just reported XRP will hit $60,000. In fact, this is the official Forbes page and the official Forbes Twitter with over 19.5 million viewers and followers on their account. And just recently, this article revealed that XRP is going to hit that $60,000 mark, and Google AI and Bing AI has confirmed that this in fact did happen. Now, there's a lot that we have to discuss in today's video, including why this is going to happen and why it would make sense for XRP to hit that massive $60,000 mark, because there is some reasons as to what would be required for it to happen. And we're also going to jump into the massive XRP giveaway that we're hosting. All you got to do to enter that giveaway is tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share with this video. That being said, let's get right into it. Now, I want to begin my video with this quick clip reminder by the managing director of Webull Capital event.
XRP will pump the hardest because of its utility. Raise your hand if you believe in $100 per XRP. Yes. I believe. I'll believe it more when it happens. Yes. Posted 17 seconds ago. Jack the Rippler just in. Blockchain company Ripple is set to bolster its workforce significantly with a primary focus on Canada. Those Canucks, XRP and Canucks. Who will hold XRP until $100 and beyond? Me. That's me. I'm gonna hold. I needed to go a little bit more than that. Said, who is still here when we reach $10 per XRP? Oh, I'll definitely still stay. I'm not selling my XRP at $10. I think that's too little. I think it could go more. More like what reaches $1,000. So I'm more interested in that, selling it at that much. Moving along. XRP won against SEC, the rumor. Let's listen into this video.
The future of the dollar. I will start with cryptocurrencies more generally and then move to CBDCs and the future of the dollar. I would start with the observation that history provides ample documentation of the fact that competing private monies are inefficient. One need only think back to the history of free banking in the United States in order to illustrate the point. So on the basis of that historical experience and others, I do not believe that plain vanilla cryptocurrencies or stablecoins are a threat to the dollar. Plain vanilla cryptos, Bitcoin and its ilk, are too volatile, too expensive to transact with. And stablecoins either are not stable if they're partially collateralized or algorithmically collateralized, or they won't scale if they're over collateralized. If I have to give you more than £1 to get a token worth £1, that's a bad deal for me unless I'm a money launderer. I will.
Good point. XRP. XRP, the only digital asset with legal clarity.
I'm still being charged at 3. I looked at it. Do I want to pay?
Let's see here. XRP's future and Larry Fink words.
In euro or dollar?
Yeah.
And I said, okay, dollar. Then I looked at it. I'm still being charged at 3%. Terrible. Okay. So, and when you think about all the people who send money, you know, they may work in one country, send money back home. They generally do that through organizations that charge 5 to 10%. Yeah. There is a need, whether it's a Libra or something else, to democratize the exchange of foreign currencies. Today, with computers and electronic market,
there shouldn't be that.
It should be 10 basis points, 5 basis points.
That
it's not
sense.
percent. And so I actually believe the idea around Libra, I don't think we need to create a new currency, but the technology to instantaneous calibrate all the currencies, that should be done.
Who gets squished by that? Who are the middlemen who are making money on that?
The banks.
You know, we're making, as the Bitcoiners would say, that's progress.
Do I want to?
All righty. Will Fed now use XRP? That's the rumor. Let's read this. In the context of the Federal Reserve's announcement, it emerged that XRP will be used to facilitate the blockchain part of the FedNow payment service. All right, a factor that confirms XRP's important position in the world of cryptocurrencies and financial technologies. Okay, rumor. I say it's rumor. XRP will save U.S. economy. Oh, let's listen in.
Here's why I think XRP, there are two things, one inside the U.S. and one outside the U.S. Why XRP will be so good. I'll start with outside. After 2014 or so, the United States has sanctioned Russia and has given them a really bad time. I don't want to get into all the details, but they have basically said you can't use SWIFT. Okay? Now, the Russians have come out in July and said, if you're going to continue to block SWIFT, we're going to use wherever the situation calls for it, wherever it is expedient, wherever it is convenient to use, we're going to use XRP. And I think that they found a backdoor to lift the gold price and do harm to the dollar, frankly. Okay, that's outside. Russian usage of XRP where convenient. Okay, inside the United States, I told you before, we've already got a Treasury bond blockade, rejection at Long Beach and numerous ports. Our typical payment device is like a 3 months treasury bill or a 1 month treasury bill. And they're not taking it, Nino. They're not taking it. And these foreign nations that ship to the United States are going to be in a position to say to the United States vendors, I'm talking about Walmart, Target, Staples, Office Depot, all these different companies. If you want the input, you need to give us gold or a gold equivalent. We'll take the gold token. And the United States will say, we don't want that. The United States vendors will say, we cannot do the gold token. And Texas might, because Texas is leading the movement to join the BRICS among the U.S. nations, among the U.S. states, which is really fascinating. Here's the climax point. The vendors are going to say, we will not pay you, you Asian and foreign nation suppliers, we will not pay you in gold token from the BRICS, but we'll compromise with the XRP.
Okay.
And I believe XRP is going to save the U.S. economy.
Wow.
For import supply.
Oh.
Wow, indeed. Will XRP moon before Ripple party in New York? XRP to $100. I'm gonna click like on that. I doubt it, but I like it. I like that idea. I'll take it. I'll take it all day long. $100 XRP. Let's see. Let's listen in.
Really, and you know, some really smart people were on the panel with me from other banks.
Volume's too low. Moving along. All right. I've already read that. XRP reports projected to hit almost 60 grand. Sure. I'll take it. XRP final countdown. Final countdown before it moons, before it goes up. Get your Lambos. Order your Lambos. XRP. Nope. I don't know. Moving along. XRP just hit $1,000. What are you tweeting? What will you do if XRP is $1,000 per XRP? I'm gonna click like on that, but here's another video from the Crypto Hulk. Oh yeah, I already saw this. I'm moving along. Already played that. All right, this is from the digital asset investor, friend of ours. I listen to his streams, his videos. He posts videos every day.
Just-in-time funding. If you think you're a large multinational client where you have multiple bank accounts in multiple different regions, cross-border, and you keep buffers of cash in each of these regions, it's really an inefficient use of cash. So think of the future where you can do just-in-time funding. If it's Saturday or it's Friday night, 5 p.m. in the US and 5 a.m. in Singapore, but you need to get money there, you can send that immediately within seconds. And I think that really adds that kind of like that benefit for clients. And then the programmability is also a really important functionality that we're adding. So our, security token services for trade with smart contracts to be able to, and again, a smart contract is just a series of, if this happens, then do that. So, if this contract, is executed, then release the funds, and fully automated, no paper, really enabling clients for that, always on infrastructure.
So that is tokenized deposits on either that front or the smart contracts front. Can you say, are there clients that you are able to share with us, just to give us a little example of how this is being implemented in the real world?
Yeah, absolutely. So Maersk is one of our large pilot clients that we did. And as Maersk passed through a canal, they automatically pre-funded a smart contract with tokens. And then once they received the services, the token was automatically paid out. So as you can imagine, trade is a very paper-ridden, not digital-first kind of business that we're looking to digitize and add those efficiencies for our clients.
How do you see Citi expanding on these capabilities down the road?
Yeah, so we've built this platform on a ERC20 EVM compatible protocol, which is really important. There's a lot of legislation out there in the marketplace right now in regards to stablecoins and crypto. And if any of these bills pass and our clients want to start using these, we'll have an enabled platform. So having this ERC20 token, which will be fungible, today, day one, we're doing it for tokenized deposits, cash management, efficiencies in trade, but really future-proofing and working with clients to build this out. So, we mentioned Maersk, which is one of our pilot clients, and really helping to build out the functionality in our roadmap, which includes not just a Citi token. We want to work with other banks, like we've done on the regulated liability network with the Fed and other banks. Like clients don't want, individual bank tokens. They want multi-token, multi-border liquidity for added efficiencies.
And I think what you just said means that you are using a permissioned version of the Ethereum blockchain. And we've been talking about this for several months now. We talked about it together earlier this year in the spring, but public blockchains, I know it's early in the game and this is, the way you're doing it now is the way you have to do it. But do you ever see there being a day or a reason for Citi itself or for a bank in general to implement public blockchains?
It's going to really depend on regulation, in my opinion, because right now it's only permissible for us to be on a permission chain. So if regulation changes and regulators get comfortable with public, we will definitely go down that route. But right now, from a regulatory standpoint, we're sticking with permission. So it really depends, I think, on that. And as you know, today we've talked about in the past, it's very bifurcated across the different regions, right? Between the US, EMEA, Asia, the different regulations coming out in this space. So it'll be, I think, more to come kind of in the future on that. But, we're making it where we are future-proofing our system, that if that does happen, we can move to a public chain.
Tokenization really has been the theme of the year. And I think even, we were talking in the spring about how it's not the first time we've been through this. And I think even back then it was still a little bit early, but it is interesting to have gone these next few months and seen just the excitement build around it. Both, I think, from where I sit within the financial services industry, but also on the crypto side, talking to VCs and with developers. How do you see an announcement like this or a development like this, rather, from an institution like Citi, affect adoption of these technologies, which really has been on a long journey being kind of crypto specific and now hitting a big institution like Citi?
I think it's really important for our clients. Everything we do is very client centric. And as our clients are embarking on this journey, we've had inbounds from them for a trusted partner like Citi to partner with them on this. So here I am, I'm sure you can hear the background at Cybos right now with, several entities that have made announcements, as well as like Swift, who's talking about a consortium in this space. So you're seeing more and more enterprises enter their space as their clients are requesting that. And I think that will continue as we move to the next evolution from retail into enterprise.
Going back to the live chart. We dipped a little bit. We're in the 49-cent range. We're just a hair away from 50 cents. It'll probably go back up to 50 cents. And we're looking at the 1-day chart, live chart. 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, West Coast, September 24th, 2023. Live trading action. Pretty much trading sideways all day at 50 cents. I see that it dipped down a little bit into the 49 cents, upper 49 cents. Clicking the 5-day chart. 5 days ago was at 52 cents. Mostly trading sideways at 50 cents, 51 cents, 50 cents. Now we just, in the beginning of my live stream, we're at 50 cents. Now it dipped into the 49, upper 49 cents region. XRP, heavily traded. Looking at the COINBASE chart. Let's check out Binance. 24-hour chart. This is the Binance chart. Go to the Gemini chart. The Gemini chart is weird. I'm gonna get out of Gemini chart. Go back to see crypto. Nope. I'll go back to Coinbase. "24-hour 1-day chart. Dipping a little bit into the 49-cent range. XRP.
Out that they are partnering with Japan. I'll try to put it out. I'll try to put it out at least every couple days. I just saw Bank of Thailand now is going to use XRP. We know UK, Japan, Korea,
Russia, and now with the Fed now, it's going to announce the US banks. What is that going to do to the price of this? I believe this, and I've said it a million times, and I know many of you believe it. The price is suppressed. There's no way XRP can be this cheap. Just in the United States alone, you're talking trillions of dollars. The Bank of UK, trillions of dollars a day. We're not even talking about the SWIFT system. SWIFT system, they're coming out that they are partnering with Ripple. If the SWIFT system moves $3 to $5 trillion a day, even if you put 10% of that on the XRP, 60 billion coins in circulation, you're talking XRP well over $100. That's just with the SWIFT system. So just put the dots together, and you will see how I try to.
Nice. I'm going to come back to that.
Truth coming out is the truth will come out, and we're getting closer as each day passes to that truth coming out. Imagine, let me tell you something about the truth. Imagine a dark room where it's pitch black, but the sun is out beaming. It's going to find its way through the cracks. If it's a pigeonhole in a doorknob, the truth will come through, and we will eventually get to that truth. And I can tell you, even though I'm limited in what I can say right now, that we're inching closer and closer to that truth. It will come out. I can tell you, without disclosing too much, that certain people out there like Boring Sleuth and Mr. Huber, keep doing what you're doing, people, okay? Because we're getting closer. Is the truth will come out. Is the truth will.
Here, let's read along here. Yes, Ripple. Yes, XRP has the most potential utility of all cryptocurrencies. It could be used on a scale that would dwarf usage by all other digital assets. The market for SWIFT payment is currently measured in the quadrillions. If XRP handles just a small fraction of that amount, the utility analysis that Izzy Auto presents can be placed aside as a unique footnote in XRP price history, but speculation dwarfs utility based on demand. Amen. Click like on that. If you still have the best digital asset ever made in your possession, smash like. Well, don't mind if I do. Let's listen to this guy here.
Good morning, guys. I just wanted to talk a little bit about something in the days to come that I've really kept my eye on the whole time. Everything I have seen is about positioning. And so you're seeing more of it happen in a more condensed fashion now. In other words, you're seeing much more of it happening on a weekly basis. Check that out. What's going on there? Citigroup is going to convert everybody's deposits into digital what? Tokens that can be sent instantly anywhere in the world. What does that remind you of? Isn't that what XRP had already solved years ago? Yeah. But these banks, large banks like Citibank, JP Morgan, I'll show you the JP Morgan announcement. They're doing the same thing. All these large institutions, BlackRock, Vanguard, all these large institutions are all headed in that direction. So I find it a little bit humorous when someone says, hey, well, you know, digital currencies is evil. Don't support that. You know, it doesn't matter whether I support it or not. We're headed in that direction. I mean, money is going to have its internet moment, okay? It's going to have to upgrade. The last upgrade we ever had, and it wasn't an upgrade, it was a downgrade, was in 1971 when we went from the gold standard to the petrodollar. That was a downgrade, a serious downgrade. So now every dollar that you had in 1971 is now worth only 10 cents. Thank you, big government.
Yeah, keep printing that 10-cent dollar. 9 out of 10 central banks are diving into CBDCs with the XRP ledger. Crypto JEDI from Tokyo, Japan. I'm subscribed to her channel. She knows what she's talking about. I listen to her.
Securities.
Here, let's start from the beginning.
January 19th, 2019, Joseph Lubin says, "We're big friends and fans of the SEC." He says the SEC has introduced a new construct called decentralization into their thinking, and Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't securities. They have not said the same about other tokens like XRP. Lubin claims to know the SEC is not going to find any tokens other than Bitcoin and Ether to be decentralized, dropping Hinman's name as the source of information. The SEC versus Ripple case filed in December 2020 has affected me the same way it's affected thousands of XRP holders in every corner of the world. Together, we share the same disappointment, frustration, and outrage. We've also learned, without instruction or prior example, how we could contribute to a new form of decentralized justice. This is where we uncovered the facts using social media. We've identified those that broke the law, exposed the bad actors who thought they could operate under a cloak of secrecy. The lessons learned will have a long-term effect on demanding and ensuring transparency for the future.
XRP's partnership with major financial institutions speaks volumes about its potential. Exciting times ahead. Indeed, exciting times ahead. Yeah, anybody that says they're giving away XRP, it's a scam. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Major announcement on the way from pro XRP attorney John E. Deaton, aka Walter White. That is funny. The only thing they have in common, they're both bald.
Today, we'll be announcing today that we're going to be having the proper pre-party. So we'll be having an afternoon party the day of the Ripple proper party, and we can't wait to be there and celebrate with everyone, because for many people they're so happy that after 2 years of this it's over, but for many of us, it's been 5 years and 6 years and 7 years of watching XRP go through, everything it's gone through and dealing with, all the different things, and then seeing Ripple go through what they went through with the case. I mean, we've been in it for the long haul. I mean, it's just, but I salute all of the people that believed in what they were invested in. Know what you're invested in, and never give up, because we already won as far as XRP not being a security. And my belief is the next big thing we're waiting for is that first financial institution to do an ODL transaction in the United States. I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe.
Hey, Ashley, how you doing?
Hey there. Thanks for waiting for me. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing a live XRP live stream and watching some videos. Yeah, listen in on this. See if this gets you excited for XRP.
Use XRP.
I
try to put it out at least every couple days. I just saw Bank of Thailand now is going to use XRP. We know UK, Japan, Korea, Russia, and now with the Fed now, it's going to announce the US banks. What is that going to do to the price of this? I believe it a million times, and I know many of you believe it. The price is suppressed. There's no way XRP can be this cheap. Just in the United States alone, you're talking trillions of dollars. The Bank of UK, trillions of dollars a day. We're not even talking about the SWIFT system. SWIFT system, they're coming out that they are partnering with Ripple. If the SWIFT system moves $3 to $5 trillion a day, even if you put 10% of that on the XRP, 60 billion coins in circulation, you're talking XRP well over $100. That's just with the SWIFT system. So just put the dots together, and you will see how I try to put it out at least every couple days.
Yeah, so he tweeted something about $100 per XRP, which
I thought they
would
were
be nice.
taking over the SWIFT system. Like they were going to be the SWIFT system.
But if XRP hits $100, I'm still not gonna sell.
No.
If I sell my XRP, I'll probably sell it when it gets to $1,000 per XRP, around that much, or near that much.
Absolutely. And then I wouldn't sell all of them because you know it's going to still keep going up.
Yeah.
I think anyway. You know what I mean? I think this is definitely only the beginning of it all.
Yeah, I believe so. I think it'll still keep going, especially like 2030. By the year 2030, yeah, $1,000 and beyond.
It better be before that. I'm getting old. I can't wait that long.
I mean, I know what your age is now. It's that's 7 years. No, 6 years. 6 years from now, you'll still be young at heart.
Yeah.
You'll still be
young at heart. Thanks.
Yeah,
Crypto.
you're still young.
Young at heart. That's sweet of you.
Yeah, you're not like Courtney's age.
Yeah,
No.
or Daytona's old as hell too.
Yeah, Daytona's old as hell. So I've been streaming for an hour and 20 minutes just talking about XRP. Going
I
over
haven't
our
talked about
XRP
XRP
news.
in a long time, but for everybody out there, I absolutely believe in XRP, and I think that's the way to go. If you're not invested in it, get in on it now before it gets too late.
Yeah, they listed back on COINBASE. So COINBASE, most of the major exchanges have relisted XRP after they won.
Oh, that's
after it was determined that XRP is not a security.
They were bullshit. That's what they were doing. They were just trying to make it so that they had time to figure out how to make the price. I think you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
They knew it wasn't a security from the rip.
Let's see what Brad Gardenhouse has to
From
say.
the get-go, Ripple has worked with regulators, and we have worked with regulated institutions like banks where there isn't regulatory uncertainty. And so we have found that part of the reason why XRP has performed well is because people realize, hey, wait a minute, back to your question, is XRP the next Bitcoin? Back to your question is XRP the next Bitcoin? If we work with the system to solve this problem, and we can solve that problem at scale, a problem measured in the trillions of dollars, then there's a lot of opportunity to create value in XRP. From the get.
Yeah, is it? Yeah, it is. It is the next Bitcoin.
Absolutely, it is. That's going to be what the world. I think when they go on a one currency, I think that's where it's going to go.
Mm-hmm. Here's another video, more XRP
Ripple
Ripple talk.
penetration. What sort of, well, there are two things. One, what is the level of penetration that you're expecting for both RippleNet and XRP using CBDCs and private company stablecoins, perhaps, for transfers, including use by central banks?
They're talking about like in the future we're not going to have paper money no more. Everything's going to be digital money, digital dollar. And it'll be on the XRP ledger. The XRP will be used behind the scenes to transfer money back and forth.
Well, didn't they already have ledgers like hacked into already?
Not that I'm aware of. XRP ledger hacked? No.
Maybe not XRP per se, but I'm pretty sure that they already had some. Hold on 1 second.
From the big players, and I think that especially here in this audience, people that have been working on it for several years have been a little bit why is it so slow? And I think that the point where we're here today is different from where we were a year ago. At this point, correct me if I'm wrong, you guys and your peers are coming in a big way. It's just happening at the pace that it's coming, and to make regulators comfortable with it.
I think that's right, and I think it's accelerating for sure.
So as you all heard from that video intro, the representative from State Street confirming that the big players are coming. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing you all synchronicity and key vocabulary. Do you all remember the CyberX researchers found back on September 11, 2023, the London Stock Exchange Group went on to say, head of capital markets at the LSEG earlier today told Financial Times the London-based exchange had been examining the potential for blockchain-powered trading venues for around a year and had reached an inflection point. I've shown you all multiple times.
Yes, Ashley, I see you're back on.
Yeah, that's all. I'm at work, so I had to run back in and get batches. I need batches. Later. My fault.
All good. I do appreciate you taking some time and talking about XRP, because I know you're an XRP holder.
Absolutely, I am. I'm excited about XRP. I love it. XRP is definitely the way to go. We're making money already, you know what I mean? So.
Yeah, because I've been buying XRP since last year when it was at 34 cents.
Yeah, we were in a big, it was a big, you and I talked about it a whole lot. Yeah, we were hyped for it.
I'm not impressed
Yeah.
by cryptos. As I said, I see them as liabilities more than assets. I respect that people want to produce speculative instruments. If they're prepared to lose it all, that's fine. I'm very concerned that it's seducing young people who don't really understand what they're getting into. And one of the reasons I have pushed our project of the digital euro has to do with the fact that our societies are becoming more and more digital, and we cannot just operate with central bank money comprised of banknotes, coins. And I'm convinced that we must be able to produce a digital central bank currency. That's what we should be able to produce, as well as having a payment infrastructure that is conducive to fast, cheaper, more efficient payments cross-border.
She just described XRP.
Yeah, absolutely. But she says that she doesn't like that everything's digital. Does she not understand this is the digital era? Like, we're in the digital era right now. We're in the beginning stages of it. But for the next whatever decade or whatever, then this is the digital era. Everything's gonna be digital. There's not gonna be any more paper money. I'm glad I collect that stuff because it's gonna be worth a whole lot, but a lot more than what it's worth now. But
Yeah.
Yeah, digital's the way. It's unfortunately nobody's, even if you don't like it, it's still happening.
Yeah, it's happening whether we like it or not.
Yeah. I don't like the fact that the government now can control pretty much everything and all that stuff. I liked it when they couldn't see the platforms, you know what I mean, of the money being transferred. But now that I think XRP actually got into that though, like they actually allow the government to have some type of say in it. I think I heard that. I may be wrong.
Yeah, they could see. They'll be able to see every transaction we do, unless they put privacy laws against that. You know.
But even so, it's the government. You know, that's not going to matter to them.
Yeah. Well, somebody that not supposed to, you know, I mean, as long as the other people can't get in there and see, people that could hack into stuff or use that information against you, you know.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. Computer, some way, somehow, somebody's going to find hack it. Apex, the Maximus.
Oh
Apex,
yeah.
It sure is.
Yeah, this guy here, Maximus Crypto, he has a YouTube channel. He used to be on another channel. He was partnered with another guy, and they had 13,000 subs. But he had a falling out, so he went on his own. Now he has his own channel. He just barely got 1,000 subs because he had to start from scratch. And he does a show Monday through Friday. He does a live stream. And sometimes he used to, this guy, Maximus Crypto, he used to do 5-hour streams just talking about crypto.
Nice. I don't know what happened there. Something happened and kicked me in.
And Apex was here earlier. The crypto porn background music. I have some music playing in the background.
Yeah.
Copyright free music. I'm just listening to people talking about XRP on here.
Yeah.
How the hell else, Daniela, do you get everyone who watches your show who said, I'm not taking a CBDC, not a chance in hell? Well, guess what? The $155 trillion in debt that the U.S. has, $32 trillion on balance sheet, Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, and government military pensions, $120 trillion, that's owed to the American public, mostly. And as China and Japan and Saudi Arabia dump treasuries, who's buying them all? The American public. So if you create an event, purposely, knowingly, you push away Saudi Arabia, you create this event where the dollar, we're not clinging to the privilege of the world reserve currency, just like the #1 economic advisor in this country would like. Instead, we are incentivizing de-dollarization and ultimately that moment where there's an event created, where, by the government's own admission, we have $5 trillion in assets backing $155 trillion in debt, the largest asset, 40% of our assets.
Yeah, they have to create an event to make the dollar crash, so that way the public, we could switch to digital money, and the public will be like, yeah, okay, well, it has to be done, because people are gonna freak out once they say that the paper money's no good.
Master, all the senior citizens, the people that don't use phones are like, oh, I'm not dealing with that. They're gonna be so confused. It's gonna be awful.
Yeah, it's like you have to give them a phone and create an account so they can move money, use money back and forth. They're gonna freak out about that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not me. I'm tech savvy. I could deal with that. I know you could.
Transactions.
I just don't trust it.
Does 40
but I could, but I just don't trust.
Yeah.
4.8 million transactions per day. Divide that by 86,400 seconds in a 24-hour period. That's 518 transactions per second. Way faster than Bitcoin, but still too slow. And with Swift's new Swift Go ISO 20022 compliance, it's still taking Swift 1 to 2 days to clear a single transaction. It costs about 40 billion.
That's crazy.
Uh-oh. Something, my my web browser's frozen. Hopefully it'll come back on.
That's all right. China owns most of the United States from debt, from debt that we owe them.
Mm-hmm.
That's
We owe
crazy.
them a lot of money.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm checking to see if we're still live. Yeah, we're still live.
Yes.
The U.S. owes a lot of other countries money, but they're not going to pay it. I don't think they're going to pay it. They're going to find a way to get out of it.
Yeah.
Create some crisis and oh, sorry, we can't pay you. Crisis happened.
Well, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure they're about to bring the thing back.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this thing is taking forever. It says not responding. What a great time for this to happen.
That's all right.
But it's fine. I got you. We're still live, and I got you here for a little bit.
Yeah, I haven't talked to you in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a while. I did a live stream Friday on the other channel, not non-crypto related.
Yeah.
And then Saturday I was on Slasher's stream reviewing some movie. Yep.
That's cool.
On Friday, the stream went on for 2 hours and 30 minutes, and Daytona showed up at the last 15 minutes of it, so it was pretty good.
Nice.
I had it was Slasher and Jens mostly.
Oh, Jens.
Yeah. Jens, he's down for 5-hour streams, but I don't like to go that long.
Yeah. He owes me some music. He was gonna make me some intro music.
Oh, that's cool.
Mhm.
Yeah, he was on camera. Okay, cool. He came back. He was on camera, and he's like missing all his teeth. He was smiling, and it's like, oh man, disturbing.
That's so messed up. But yeah.
And then I found like an actor he resembled.
Oh, nice. Hey, listen, I'm sorry to cut you short, but I gotta get back in there on my break. I don't get very long breaks. But I will talk to you later. Thank you for having me on. I'm off on Tuesday.
Thanks for coming on. I appreciate that.
Absolutely. Maybe Tuesday or something we can stream or something.
Yeah. I could do that.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good night. Thanks, DBS. Appreciate you. Bye.
All right. Bye. We are back looking at the charts. And we are currently at 49 cents. It dipped down. It's been dipping down. In the beginning of the stream was at 50 cents. So there's been a little bit of some sell-off. So I want to thank everybody that showed up to the live stream, hanging out with me while we were talking about XRP. I'm going to end the stream. I am the Crypto Jedi. May the Force take all your crypto investments to all-time highs. Goodbye.